Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a right-handed reverse shoulder slide. Now obviously knowing how to do a right-handed shoulder slide would be quite helpful, and doing a standard reverse shoulder slide would be quite helpful, so I'll pop links to those in the description below. But assuming you've got some experience with that kind of thing, then you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off man's right, lady's right. We go semicircle, push, send the lady back, guys step back. Guys, you also want to be putting your left foot a little bit out to the left. So what happens now is you turn to the right by stepping back with the right foot and turning right. That's also going to pull to bring the lady forwards. That hand is going to be latched onto the left shoulder. We're going to keep turning and look over the right shoulder as the lady's coming past us. Once we think the lady's actually just passing our position, we can let go with the right hand. The lady slides across the shoulders, down the right arm, ending up right to right, and then all you've got to do is return to finish off. It can be done at different speeds, but the kind of normal easy entrance to doing this would be to do it at this speed. It goes back 1, onto the shoulder 2, sliding 3, down to the hand 4, returning 5 and back 6. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, right-handed reverse shoulder slide. We go a back, latch, slide, catch, return, and you're done. Hope you enjoyed that. If you're finding the content on our channel useful, giving you some good value, then please do pop a like on the video, subscribe. That helps promote what we do, so it helps the YouTube algorithm put us in front of more people. And finally, if you want to make sure you don't miss a video, pop the notification bell on, and that way you'll get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, so it's something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.